we're talking to Steve Russell, who's the head of global markets, and Dario Choi, who's the head of Asia Pacific markets. Lovely to see you guys. How's it been at the show so far?
Shirish, Broadcast Asia, always an important show for us in the region. Great to be here.
What are the kind of products that you brought this time?
Actually, we are expanding our, obviously, the market reach with a solution set called Irdeto Experience, as well as anti-piracy, and of course, the end-to-end solution offered for OTT and hybrid space.
Okay. So are the products here?
Yes.
And what is so special about them? Can I ask you?
Well, I think what makes Irdeto different is that its solutions are very much built with the operator in mind. So, we work globally and we work with the best across streaming and the pay TV market. But we really focus on how to drive an improved experience, an improved business model for those customers. And customers that value a strategic partnership with somebody that can drive those outcomes, make a difference within their business. That's what Irdeto is all about.
Okay. What is special about the products that's different from the competition?
Well, obviously, our solution is end-to-end. It's not like a kind of a vertical solution. It's a fully modular, scalable, and robust. It really provides the operators with the ability to drive user engagement and monetize better.
Okay. So monetization is one of the USPs of your product?
Correct.
Does that improve what competition offers? Improve upon what competition
In
offers?
terms of our space, I think our data is a unique space where we provide both technology and business enablement. We provide deep insight in terms of customer engagement, so provide the better journey, hence engaging more consumers on their platforms.
Well, one of the things that we're really talking about here at the show is our new announcement of yesterday, where we announced a new partnership with Astro, the leading Malaysian pay TV and streaming operator. And the announcement said that we have worked with Astro in partnership to fully replace their streaming platform, Suka, in order to deliver a radically different outcome for them as a business.
Right. So this announcement might be worth making at the awards tonight. I don't know. Are you present at the awards? Have you applied for,
I'm that away.
nominated yourselves?
We'll have to check on that, but maybe.
If you have an announcement like that, would be very well received, I'm sure.
Yeah. Right.
So the kind of customer profile that you have is mostly OTT operators and streaming agents and so forth. Is there any way that you're likely to expand that? Broadcasters?
So we are catering to, of course, a few different use cases. One is the traditional pay TV operators struggling from obviously sustaining their existing business, trying to migrate to digital transformation, offering both a hybrid as well as OTT only business model. And the other ones are, of course, the D2C operators moving into new OTT space.
At the show yesterday, have you had sufficient quality visitors, or has it been just the run-of-the-mill guys?
I would say it's been a normal Broadcast Asia for us. We've had some good interactions. We tend to be in the space of working in long-term partnership with select number of organizations. So quite often our conversations at Broadcast Asia are about advancing an existing partnership or looking for new ways to drive innovation within those customers.
And apart from Astro, do you have any announcements likely? I'm not going to ask you about the names, but any announcements likely in the next few days?
Well, Astro's the big one for us. It's a very significant new relationship for both Irdeto and for Astro. And maybe it's worth exploring a little bit in terms of why Astro chose to work with us and what they were trying to achieve. And there, I think you need to look at the role of regional major operators. What are they trying to do within their business? Well, they're trying to drive scale. It's all about trying to drive subscription scale. How do you do that? Well, by creating a really unique and unified experience of possible different devices you're delivering to, make it more personalized. It's really got to pop, it's really got to shine, it's got to bring all the best content sources together. But it's got to do that in a way that's absolutely operationally sound. By that I mean not just that it works flawlessly. Those all of the metrics around streaming quality are at the highest level possible, but also that users love it. And what we can see already, this launched in January, we can see already that consumers really do love it. You can see that in the App Store, and you can see that in the reviews. So very, very positive response from the market. Why is all that important? Well, it's driving the most important metric of all, which is monetization.
Good.
And if you look at an operator like Astro, they're moving from a classic, pay model, subscription model, to really try to work all aspects of monetization across advertising, targeted advertising, addressable advertising, as well as the subscription model. And that's how they present their super outcome. And in working with a partner like us, it was the ability to bring all those ways of monetization together so they can really find the best fit for the widest addressable market,
Right.
while still delivering that unique, high quality, beautiful experience.